Hi, welcome to Boardway factory today. Today I'm going to give you a tour of our factory and we are going to discuss the below topic with you. First, how many machines that we have. Second, what kind of product each machine producing. Third, and how many products can a machine can produce per day. Follow me. Hi, welcome to our factory tour. So here is our production areas. So how many machines we have? As you can see, the machine on my back, we have 7 machines totally right now. So, and what kind of product that each machine produce, that we separate the machine a little bit different. Like line number 1 on my left is focused on middle density PVC foam board. So what middle density means is the density about 0.5. So this machine can produce white color and any other colors. And line number 2 on my right is focused on PVC silica and PVC freeform. So the surface can be smooth finish or can be matte finish. PVC freeform is with a matte finish, and the foam part is more uniform compared to silica. Did you follow me? We'll come to line number 3 and line number 4. Both of these machines can produce PVC silica, but what's the difference between them is that line number 3 is especially focused on white colors and with a smooth surface or one side wood texture surface. And line number 4 is focused on colorful PVC foam board. Right now we're producing a brown color right now, but on this machine we only run the color production. So the color we can produce like brown, coffee, red, yellow, blue, black, any colors. So if you have a new color you want to produce, you just need to give us a sample, or you can give us a code from a color chart. Follow me? So on the other side of my hand point to is our line number 5, especially focused on higher density PVC silica foam board. What do I mean by higher density? Higher density is the density higher than 0.6, so that we will run by this machine especially, and color can be white and colors. This is our line number 6 and line number 7. So these 2 machines, they can both produce PVC silica and PVC cold extrusion. So you can see they have 3 things they put the PVC right in. So the middle one is produce the foam part, and the side one is produce the top and the bottom layer. So both PVC cold extrusion have a very hard and glossy surface and PVC silica. So these 2 machines can produce 3 mm to 25 mm, and color from white. Color is white and any other colors. So these 2 machines especially focus on silica and cold extrusion. Hi, welcome to our lamination workshop today. So today we are using our QR machine to do some lamination on PVC foam board. So, and we would like to introduce you what kind of materials that this machine can do on PVC foam board. So normally customers use PVC foam board to make a lot of cabinet, but PVC foam board come with white color. The color is a little bit boring, so customers want the color to be more interesting, but they don't want to paint it because painting have a strong smell. So that's why we can do the lamination on the PVC foam board. What kind of lamination we can do? What kind of materials we can prefer? So PVC fill, as you see right now, we're doing the PVC fill. So this is a wood finish. But PVC fill have thousands of designs. Wood finish or stone finish and other kind of finish, other kind of texture. And PVC fill and HPL and aluminium can be also an option. Also acrylic sheet can be also an option. All these kind of materials, they have various color options. When you laminate it, it's a finished product and you can directly use it on cabinet. You don't need to do any painting or other treatment on the surface. It's a finished product with a very beautiful. So the board can be one side or can be both sides laminated. It depends on the materials. So if you use PVC fill, you can do one side because PVC fill is very thin. So when you feel it, it will be still very fresh. But when you laminate it with HPL, aluminum or acrylic sheet, we will recommend it you do both sides laminated because those materials are a little bit thicker, like 0.7 mm or 0.8 mm. So if you only laminate it one side, the ball will be bending a little bit. So we recommend that you laminate it for both sides. So that's what our PUR machine can do. So the PUR machine, the group is more environmental and compared with the cold group machine. That's why a lot of customers will prefer a PUR machine to do their lamination work.